I'm going to review the Panorama RTX 3080 Prebuilt desktop gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a wonderful price, make sure to check out the links below this video. I've got an absolute powerhouse to show you, the Panorama RTX 3080 gaming PC by Computer Upgrade King. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or someone who just loves smooth, high-performance computing, this beast has got you covered. Let's dive into what makes this pre-built tower a must-have for 2024. First up, let's talk performance. At the heart of this rig is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads. This means you're getting elite-level gaming and content creation power, capable of handling the most demanding tasks with ease. The base clock speed starts at 3.4 GHz, but it can boost up to a blazing 4.6 GHz when you need that extra push. Now, for all the graphics enthusiasts out there, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 with 10 GB of GDDR6 memory is where the magic happens. This GPU is a game changer, literally. With NVIDIA DLSS, you get faster, smoother, and more power-efficient performance, making it perfect for playing the latest AAA titles at ultra settings in full 1080p HD and still hitting that sweet spot of 100 plus FPS. Whether you're into Fortnite, Valorant, or the visually stunning Red Dead Redemption 2, this PC delivers an immersive experience that's hard to beat. Storage? Oh, it's got that covered too. You get a 512GB PCIe NVMe Gen 4 M.2 SSD for ultra-fast boot up and data transfer speeds, up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. Plus, the 3TB HDD means you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your game library, videos, or massive files. And let's not forget the 32GB DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz. This ensures seamless multitasking, so you can stream, game, and chat all at once without breaking a sweat. If you're a content creator, you'll appreciate how effortlessly this system handles video editing and 3D rendering. But it's not just about raw power. The design is equally impressive. The Panorama comes encased in a stunning tower with frameless tempered glass front and side panels, offering a panoramic view of the internals. And with 11 ARGB fans, you're not just getting optimal airflow for extreme cooling, but also a customizable light show that adds flair to your setup. This PC isn't just a tool, it's a centerpiece for your gaming station. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that while the glass panels provide a beautiful view, they can make the system slightly heavier and more prone to fingerprints, so you'll want to handle it with care when setting it up. All in all, the Panorama RTX 3080 gaming PC is a beast of a machine. It's built for those who demand the best, whether you're gaming, creating content, or just need a high-performance PC for everyday tasks. With its top-tier components, sleek design, and powerful performance, it's a solid investment for any serious gamer or creator in 2024 and beyond. If you'd like to get this gaming PC for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.